Page 523, number 69. Use a system of equations to find the equation of the parabola that passes through the points. Okay, first thing we have to do here is write down an equation, and we've got our standard form right here of the parabola through each of these points. Now, each of these points is an x comma y value. So we can take each of those points and plug them in for x and for y. And when I do this, I'm going to write ax squared plus bx plus c equals y. So let's plug 1 in place of x. So I have 1 squared, which is 1 times a. So 1a plus 1 times b plus c is equal to y, which in this case is 8. So there's my first equation. Second equation, let's plug 2 and 13 in place of x and y. So if I do that, 2 squared is 4 times a plus b times 2, or 2b, plus c is equal to y, which in this case is 13. Okay, let's plug our third point in for x and y. So plugging 3 in place of x gives me 3 squared, which is 9, times a, plus 3 times b, plus c is equal to my y value, or 20. Now in this way we have 3 equations, 3 variables, a, b, and c. If we solve those for a, b, and c, we can plug them in up here to have our equation of the parabola. Now I'm going to get out my calculator, and let's use the matrix capabilities of our calculator to do this, because what I can do is enter this matrix into my calculator and let it do the work for me. Let it find the reduced row echelon form of this matrix, which will give me my solutions for A, B, and C. So I'm going to get in my matrix menu. Let's edit matrix A. It's a 3 by 4 matrix, and I can type these values in here: 1, 1, 1, and 8. I can also type in 4, 2, 1, and 13. And last but not least, 9, 3, 1, and 20. So now that I have my matrix entered, I can go back to my matrix menu, go over to the math menu, and what I want is RREF. That stands for reduced row echelon form. So I want to find reduced row echelon form of matrix A. And when I find that, notice I get 1, 0, 0. I get 1s across the diagonal, 0s in the corner, and my 3 solutions are 1, 2, and 5. Now careful, this point is not my solution. My solution is what I get if I plug 1, 2, and 5 in place of a, b, and c. So here's my equation. Y equals 1x squared plus 2x plus 5. So there's the equation that has these 3 points on its parabola. Now, I can plug each of these x values in to see if they give the corresponding y values to check if my answer works. So first point, 1 squared is 1, plus 2 times 1, plus 5, so 1 plus 2 plus 5, yes, it does equal 8. Let's plug 2 in there. 2 squared is 4, plus 2 times 2 is 4, plus 5. Add that up, yes, it equals 13. Third set of points. Let's see if I plug 3 in here. 3 squared is 9, plus 2 times 3 is 6, so 9 plus 6 plus 5, yes, that equals 20. So here's the equation of the parabola that passes through these 3 points.